Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace downstream oxygen sensor, or this is known as oxygen sensor 2 guys, number 2. Now, we'll demonstrate on a 2.4 Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge engine guys. We'll work on Dodge Dart, but that same engine guide's being used on Dodge Dart, Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Compass, Jeep Renegade, Chrysler 200 and Fiat 500X. So stay with us, that's what we'll be doing guys. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos on this engine guys and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video guys, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Let's start on it now. So this is it guys, 2.4 Multiair engine guys. As you can see, the air filter box being removed and the engine mount. This is because we'll be taking that engine completely apart. We'll have so many videos, so please subscribe. All the tools and parts guys that we use, you can find the links in the description of the video below for the new oxygen sensor, special socket for removing oxygen sensor, which is super handy guys. Now this is guys, okay, looking at the at the exhaust. This is guys your upstream oxygen sensor, or this is sensor 1. This is the one before the catalytic converter. This is sensor 2 or downstream sensor guys. That's after the catalytic converter. I recommend to have the car battery disconnected, because the engine fan is right here and you don't want that thing to turn on accidentally and cut your fingers off. So do the repairs only on cold engine, let it sit for overnight at least guys, so to make sure that everything's cold, otherwise you can severely burn yourself. So downstream oxygen sensor right here guys, you can see, and the cable, okay, it goes to about, okay, right there. Now that thing we need to press down, okay, and pull it out. Perfect. What we'll be using next guys, okay, I need to get a socket. Let me show you the socket quick. Okay, what it looks like, the socket that we'll be using to remove the oxygen sensor. This is it right here. We'll have it listed in the description of the video below. I'll go ahead, place it on top of the oxygen sensor like that. Then I'm going to get a big breaker bar, because that thing will be tight guys. Okay, and I'll show you now, okay, how we'll remove it. So I got it in, okay, you can see it's on top of the socket. So now, okay, that thing will be super tight guys, okay, and it came loose I think. Yep, I can definitely see it moving, so definitely guys came loose. Now I'm just going to get the socket only. Let me see if I can turn the sensor up. I can turn it by hand, I don't even need the socket. So I'll go ahead. Okay, it got stuck now, so I'll grab the socket only. I think it will be enough to be able to remove it by hand. Let me see now. And then it starts going by hand again, and at one point it may stop. If you have higher mileage vehicle guys, that thing will be pretty stuck. We've seen some that you have to apply enormous amount of force to remove them. And this is guys the downstream oxygen sensor. Now if you need to buy one again, we'll have the link in the description of the video below guys, so please check it out. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to you. Please guys hit that subscribe button for more videos, like the video, and see you guys next time.